Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about progressive infinitive. But before I explain this topic, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. So what is progressive infinitive? Basically, a progressive infinitive is like other progressive forms because it suggests that action in events are, were, and will be continuing around the time we are talking about. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a progressive infinitive is not something difficult to understand, but it is a kind of structure. It is what? It is a kind of structure that functions the same as other progressive forms to show the continuity of an action. I think still you are not getting the point. Don't worry, just wait a minute and you will understand it. The structure of progressive infinitive is to be plus present participle. As you know, present participle is basically ing form of verb such as going, eating, speaking, etc. Well, just look at these examples so then you will understand it. She seems to be talking about us. Here in this example, to be talking is basically a progressive infinitive structure and it shows continuity of an action. Basically, you can say this sentence in this manner or in this way. She seems that she is talking about us. Both of these sentences have same meaning, but their structures are different and the idea is same. There are so many examples like that, such as the team appears to be winning the game. Here again, to be winning is a progressive infinitive. And if you say this sentence like this, the team appears that they are winning the game. So it is fine and they have the same meaning and idea. But the first one is a progressive infinitive. The next example is I'm happy to be working on this project with you. Here to be working is again a progressive infinitive and it shows the continuity of an activity or an action. And you can also say this sentence in this way. I'm happy that I am working on this project with you. You can see both of them have the same meaning but different structures. So you should also keep one important point in your mind, that is we have negative sentences in progressive forms. So the question is, do we have also the same negative progressive infinitives? So the answer is yes, we have, and the structure of it is not plus to be plus present participle. For example, he seemed not to be enjoying the party. Here in this example, not to be enjoying is a negative progressive infinitive and it shows continuity. If you say this sentence in this manner, so then it will be a piece of cake for you. For example, he seemed that he was not enjoying the party. So the meaning is same but syntactically they are different. Right? And the next example is she pretended not to be laughing at the joke. Here in this example, not to be laughing is basically a progressive infinitive but in a negative form. Right? So this sentence can also be said in this way. She pretended that she was not laughing at the joke. Right? I hope that guys you might have enjoyed this lecture, and if you have really enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.